My dear students of class 6, today's video session is for question and answer of chapter 3. And dear student, chapter 3 in the section A, that is the MCQ. In MCQs, the question number 1, that is, which of the following are natural fiber? So answer will be wool, silk and hemp. Answer will be D. 1, D. And 2, question number 2, which of the following are synthetic fibers? So answer will be Orlon, polypropylene and nylon. So answer will be B. Answer will be B. Question number 3, that is, which of the following countries are the largest producer of cotton? Myanmar, Sri Lanka, Java, Afghanistan and Turkey, Southern United States, China and India, Sri Lanka and Pakistan. So the major producers are India, Sri Lanka and Pakistan. This is the cotton. D. Answer will be D. And which of the following is the main source of the cashmere? So cashmere, that is that we can get from the Kashmiri goat. And 4, that is the answer will be B. 4, B. 5, which of the following is called artificial silk? So artificial silk is that is the rayon, nylon or wool or polyester or, so the answer will be dear student, for this question you have to search the answer that is given and so the answer will be the artificial silk, that is the perhaps rayon. A. Answer will be A. It will be confirmed. And question number 6, that is, the correct sequence of that we get cloth is fiber, fabric, yarn. No, fiber, yarn, fabric. The correct sequence is B. 6B. And which statement out of the following is incorrect? Okay, answer will be B. So 7B, that is incorrect. And question number 8, had the vibrant color and shine, the fabric would be the silk. Answer will be C. 8C. 9, that will be the Bira is a farmer, soil and climate is warm. So that will be suitable for the cotton. B. 9B. 10. Which of the following material did people use in for making cloths. Leaves of tree, newspaper, animal C. So first and four, that is the D, 10D, 10D. And which of the following is not a natural fiber? So answer will be C, 11C. 12. Which set of the substances is not used for making fibers? C, that is the husk and bone. C, 12C. 13. Which part of the jute plant is used for getting the jute fiber? So that is the stem, B. 13B, stem. Now 14, yarn is the woven to get the fabric using the looms, C. 14C. 15. Made to yarn from fiber at home. How to make charkha? Knitting needles. Charkha, C, charkha. 15C, charkha. So dear student, these are the answers and you have to do it. Now my dear students, come to the true false. True false questions like section B, T/F, and climate and tradition have no role to play the way we dress up. This is false. Number 1, F. Kanjivaram silk sarees are made by knitting. False. Number 3, coir is made from the hairs of the coconut fruit. Okay, 3 true. Then 4, polyester is a natural fiber. False. 4F. Then 5, a fabric is made up of 2 sets of yarn arranged together. Okay, it will be true. 5 true. Then synthetic fibers are obtained from plants. 6 F. 7, synthetic fibers dry faster than cotton. True. So dear student, this is the true false against the statement. And now C, true false and correction. TF and correction. TF and corrections. So dear student, number 1, that is the silk is a plant fiber. False. False. That will be the animal fiber. Jute is obtained from the leaves of the plant. 2 F. Correct is the stem. Weaving is a process for arranging 2 sets of yarn together. This is true. 3 true. 4, cotton yarn on burning gives odor similar to that of burning paper. Okay, true. This is true. Then come to 5. Come to next, that is the match the column. And this C after D, matching. And in matching, sweater, that is wool. 1 B. 2 cotton balls, cotton. 2 A. gunny bags jute, gunny bags jute. 4D. Okay, now come to the match the column. B again matching E. That will be the weaving okay, E. 1E. Knitting, that is the A to A. Spinning, that is the D. 3D, and 4 ginning is the that is the C. 4C, and fiber five C, and 4 ginning is the F. 4F, and 6R, 6C, 5C. Okay. 4B, that is a guinea, and 6 Okay, D, 6D. So dear students, these are the question answers, and now assignments. That assignment that you have to do like this. Complete book and fair copy. Write VSAQ, VSA, SA, and LA in fair copy. So, thank you very much for watching this video. Complete it at your home. Thank you.